Question 23, Statistics. Here, we are given the table showing household income distribution in bands of 1,000 ringgit of income from 2,000 to just below 8,000. And we are asked to find the interquartile range, which means the income of the range of families of household, excluding those in the top 20 and top and bottom 25%. To show what this means, here we have a sort of a cumulative frequency distribution chart based on the data given. Now, you don't have to draw this in the exam, but this is just for illustration purposes. So this, the horizontal axis, shows income in bands of 1,000. And the vertical axis shows the number of families in each income band. So we have 150, 208, 250, and so on. So the first thing to do is to calculate the total number of families. And we do this by adding up all these numbers, and the total is 960. And we find out the range, the number of families for each quartile. So that's quite easy. So just take 960 divided by 4. This gives 240. So there are 240 families in the 25% bands out of the total 960 families. And the lowest 25% of these families would be 240. So if you count from the bottom, this would be 150 plus 90. And also if we count from the top, this would be 49 plus 143 plus 48. So that gives us the top quartile. So I'm just going to write this down. 149 plus 143 plus 48. So if we turn the graph this way, we can see that out of 100%, 25%, the lowest 25% is down here, and the highest 25% is up there. So this is the interquartile range. So this is from 25% to 75%. So now we want to find the income range of the interquartile range. So from the table, we have number of families in each income band, but we do not know how they are distributed within the band. So for this purpose, we assume that the distribution is linear. So we're just going to draw a straight line between these 2 points. So if we draw the line here and drop down here, and we have this interval, let's call that A. And from the linearity, we can calculate A as follows. We can assume that A over 1,000 is the same as 90 over 208. So A over 1,000 is equal to 90 over 208. And that means A is equals to 432. Similarly, for B, we have B over 1,000, which is 48 over 160. So we can write B over 1,000 is equals to 48 over 160. And this gives B equals 300. So the interquartile range would just be from 3,000 plus A, which is that point, to 6,000 minus B. So interquartile quartile range is from 3,000 plus A to 6,000 minus B, i.e. 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5, 7, 0, 0. And that's the answer for question 23. So these values are being in ringgit, of course.